Hi, and in today's video, we are gonna go over the Punnett Squares. I swear, if this is something about chemistry again, Jerry is gonna get cooked. Oh, sorry, I got a stuffy nose. Okay, let's go. Okay, so we're gonna. Doesn't this look like a four square? Yo, I used to be so good at four square. I remember in gym class in high school. I was the king, bro. Like this is like the lowest. Junior, queen, king. Guess where I was? Oh, right there. Okay, but we're gonna build a Punnett square. Dominant recessive alleles. Oh, Jerry thinks I'm Neil deGrasse Tyson or whatever. I forgot. Okay, okay, okay. So genes and alleles. So this is like a pair. I think these are like, chromosomes are always in a pair. That's why there's 23 in each cell. There's 23 pairs of two, just like this. And usually dominant is represented with a capital, and recessive is like with a lowercase. Where's middle case? What would a middle case be? There's upper, there's lower. Where's the middle? Okay, so what is a Punnett square? So a Punnett square is like used to predict the possible offspring. Yo, this is really good for AP Bio. I mean, this is like basics, but yeah. So you would put the two pairs of alleles. So two pairs of two. So one in there, one in there, and then you would cross like this. Okay, we're making actually really good time. Okay, so example A on my one. So first off, you have capital A, lowercase. So you put that here and then you cross it. So here will go here, two capitals, here and here, capital and lowercase. Here, there, yeah. And like this can be also used to find out like if anyone has any like recessive traits, diseases that pass down through alleles. Like hold on, let me try to remember for bio. I think there could be like dominant recessive disorders, dominant recessive orders, sex-linked X on the X chromosome, and like I forgot, but like yeah, things like that. You're gonna learn that AP Bio if you're gonna take it. Okay, so these are like the possible combinations you could have. So you can have two capitals, or you can have two lowercase, or you can have two. No, you have one, two uppercase, one, two lowercase, and one like two like these. If you have like if you have this, if you have one, if you have two, one capital, one lowercase. Okay. So phenotype is like your traits, I think. I don't know. Jerry thinks I'm a genius. Okay, uh, so traits can be like passed down. Like your dad could have brown eyes and your mom could have brown eyes too, but you could get like a complete different other color eyes, and that's due to like having because your dad passes down one. Like I can go over this in depth next time in another video like about traits, but like just because both your parents have one trait doesn't mean you're gonna get that one trait guaranteed, because that could be dominant, that could be recessive. I know this is very complicated. This was very complicated for me. Maybe we should hit up Jerry. Who is Jerry, bro? Okay, let's keep going. Okay, practice problem. Okay, I want you to build a Punnett square. Don't be like those students who would just go on their phones when the teacher says to do something. Actually make out the Punnett square. I'll wait. Wait. Are you done? I'm done. Okay. That should be plenty of time. Okay, so this is what you should have gotten. Just put those on top. Put that one to the side. Oh, wait. Bless me. Sorry. Okay. Yeah. This is like the very basic of it. Like sometimes you get a family tree and you see who has a disorder or who has this trait, and you're supposed to find out the percentage of the chance that their offspring will have that trait or another like cousin would have that. That's very difficult. I can go this is like I think I'm starting out to go like simple things, but I think as I progress, I'll go more in depth and more like in more detail with other things. Okay, here's a second practice problem. Just pause it and like just pull out a piece of paper or like doom scroll while you wait. Mm, mm, mm. So how's your day going? I mean, my day is going alright, I guess. I don't know what to talk about. I don't know. I'm just winging it at this point, honestly. Okay, let's see the answer. So you should have this. Yeah, yeah. Oh yeah, there's also things about homozygous and heterozygous. Homozygous means like you can have homozygous dominant, I think, and that's where like it's both capitals. But or heterozygous means that it's like this one. Okay, so we basically reached the end of it. So I just want you to remember to like write down each parent's alleles and then draw the Punnett square and then make sure to fill out every box and like cross them with your pencil or whatever so you don't make a mistake. And you gotta practice. You gotta practice. Like how I don't practice violin, but it's fun. And yeah, so this is like a very basics to it. And like this is something you watch before you actually go to the class and learn it. So you just get a basic. This is like a very basic idea of it. But if you want me to go in more depth next time, or like go in more detail, or talk about something else, just let me know. And if you don't, uh, Jerry will probably tell me what to do next. So I'll see you in the next video. Bye.